UMinister Gayton McKenzie izolo bafowethu mekhuluma nemedia uthe wanika i-SAFA i-13 million yokuthi babe ne-VAR. Uthi nje kusho ukuthi ayikho i-transparency laphana, uyayidinga back leya 13 million yakhe. Amagama akhe lawo, but waphinde wa-correct wathi ye-department akusiyo i-13 million yakhe leya mali leya bafowethu. Angenzi ngathi ngoba ku-position of ukuba uminister angenzi ngathi leya mali akuseyakhe. But kudala ngikhuluma indaba ye-VAR ukuthi ayize eSouth Africa ngoba i-VAR i-control-wa yi-SAFA and kunomehluko between i-SAFA ne-P_S_L abazwani labantu lapha, because if bebazwana ngabe ibhola lase-South Africa li-advance kakhulu. Number one, i-13 million ayikho enough uku-introduce i-VAR eSouth Africa, imali encane kakhulu ukuletha i-VAR. Uzoyi-implimenta kanjani kuzo zonke iy'tadium or iy'tadium ey'njani ey'ngakhi ziphi, ngoba khona iy'tadium ezingenawo ama-facilities a-right. Number one, khona ama-teams ongawazi nokuthi adlala kusiphi i-stadium, i-home ground awukho sure. So uzoyibhilda kuphi i-VAR kanjani? So yiwo ama-questions uMinister Gayton McKenzie naye okumele abuzwe yena, abuze ukuthi okay mfethu uyikhiphile imali, but-ke what's the whole plan of introducing this thing? Because khona ama-country amancane bafethu anganamali, abroke ngenye indlela but anayo i-VAR. But it's because khona ama-country adlalela emagrawundini ayi-2 or ayi-3 kuphela i-country yonke, cabanga. Ilo uthola ukuthi i-league yakhona idlalela nje emagrawundini ambalwa, so bayazi ukuthi vele banamagrawundi mhlawumpe ayi-6 kuphela ahosta zonke lezi zinto lezi zama-matches. So ku-easy ukuthi bayazi ukuthi amagrawundi abadila nawo. La e-South Africa awukho sure ukuthi inizodlalela kusiphi i-stadium kanjani. Ubona umuntu sekayashintsha sekayaswitcha, but-ke i-VAR asikhohlwe bafowethu. But into estopha i-VAR kakhulu i-corruption. Ngizokubeka mina kucace i-corruption yani. I-VAR la e-South Africa ikhona, well i-system ye-VAR la e-South Africa ikhona, yabhildwa ikhona. It's a matter of ukuthi i-P_S_L ikhiphe imali inike la majita lawa ababhilda. Kunama-truck ukuthi ngeke ngingene kuyo kakhulu ngi-expose abantu because bangisherela izinto nami ey'thusayo. But i-VAR ikhona e-South Africa, it's just ukuyi-implimenta. Just kumele bakhiphe imali banike lo bhuti lo ithenda lona everything ye-VAR, but-ke abafuni ukukwenza lokho. But I guess because abo-referee ba-captured izolo besikhuluma ngendaba yabo-referee ukuthi abo-referee last time I checked bebathola 6,000 per match, right? If u-referee bamthenga nge-50,000 uzoyithatha leyo 50,000 akunika ama-penalty ayi-2 or ayi-3 ngegame. If uyawagejwa kwakho lokho, but-ke wena u-referee wenzile umsebenzi wakhe, because maningi ama-decision a-questionable. It's not even just izinto zama-penalty kuphela, ama-law ama-offside obonayo nawe ukuthi awekho, ziningi izinto, ama-penalty owabonayo nawe ukuthi a-questionable every week guaranteed. Cabanga sesine-segment yethu like kuma-shows, even kudala yabakhona lento le ku-Soccer Zone. Ubani lo baba lo uVictor Hlongwane naye u-famous nje ngalento lokuthi u-correct-a lezi zinto zabo-referee every week. Not one or two, kunama-moments amaningi owabonayo ukuthi a-questionable. So we don't have abo-referee aba-professional. Cabanga ukuthi i-SAFA ne-P_S_L banesikhathi sokuba ne-VAR, no-referee bakhona abangabathathi serious. Animini bafowethu. Njengoba ngangishilo bafowethu, nibonile few days back uSamukelo Zwane e-announce-wa i-team yase-Cape Town i-Hope FC angithi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayimrelease-anga umfowethu, basabona i-future kuye e-right. Bayabona ukuthi i-player linga-developer to still babona ngathi the player he can still improve, he can still fight for his position ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Udinga nje lawo ma-loan. Last season bamlona kuSwelele FC, azange adlala amagame amaningi, wabuya ku-Kaizer Chiefs wajima njengoba bamlona futhi ku-National First Division. So uhlulekile ukudlala kuSwelele FC, uya ku-National First Division la kuzoba nzima khona kakhulu bafowethu. Like i-competition ku-easy ku-P_S_L than ku-National First Division. Lapha kunzima ngempela bafowethu because abadlali abaningi badlalela ukunothiswa. Sobona uZwane uzokwazi ukufitha, and le team le yase-Cape Town angazi ukuthi ithenga ama-player 100 na ngikazi. Well into enje, I think into enje yenzeka ebholeni lase-South Africa kuphela. But I understand because babuya ku-third division bafuna ukuba i-team e-professional e-respected, basana abadlali abaningi kakhulu baku-Betway Premiership noma bake badlala u-professional setup, bahambisa ama-player amaningi abasizile or wamekha sure lama player ukuthi bafika ku-National First Division. Manje I think khona bazoyithola i-backing yama-sponsors cause i-team yase-Cape Town, ama-teams ase-Cape Town ahlakaniphile isikhathi esiningi, noma abantu aba-run-a ama-team uyabona ukuthi ba-well connected, so bayakwazi ukuthola ama-brand. So and uyabona bashaya ama-photoshoot, ba-advertise amajezi wabo, uyabona ukuthi i-team e-proper noma efuna ukuba proper, i-team efuna ukuba right, and i-team eqale I think inonyaka or 2 nje kuphela, yabo. So but-ke simfisela inhlanhla uZwane laphana ku-National First Division. Well, unalobo bulazi bakhe uZwane uma umbheka negame yakhe, akusiwe, is not a workaholic, but sithemba ukuthi lokhu kuzomvusa emaqandeni. But into engifuna ukuyibuza lana bafowethu, is it beneficial na for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-loan ama-player ku-National First Division? Cause uSifiso Timba kuGomora United, oXolani Xhosa kusiza ngani? Cause umdlali kumele ejwayele ku-P_S_L, lona umdlali ku-P_S_L, but Kaizer Chiefs kubonakala ngathi ayinabo ubudlelwane nama-teams amaningi, especially ama-teams amancane. Imagine unebudlelwane neSikhukhune United, well, i-enemy number 1 ye-Kaizer Chiefs leyo ku-league bafowethu akabazwani at all neSikhukhune United, but songena kuyo ngelinye ilanga le. But I think ngike ngakhuluma ngayo, abheka abo-Arrows, uyazi ukuthi i-Arrows well, i-Arrows but i-close ne-Orlando Pirates kakhulu, but ungabheka nawo ama-team cause kwamanye ama-team khona iplayer elizovumbuka eli-strong. Uye kuma-Rumo Gallants, bayakwazi ukusayina ama-players wase-Africa bawalethe lana ebholeni lase-South Africa. So why can't you build ama-relationships nalawo ma-team, mawulona ama-player wakho abe khona ku-Betway Premiership? It's just a question, but simfisela inhlanhla, noma sibafisela inhlanhla abafana babalonile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Iy'ndaba ey'nkulu-ke bafethu ey'phumile izolo ukuthi uPatrick Maswanganyi uyayishiya i-Orlando Pirates. No one expected uTito ukuthi ashiye i-Orlando Pirates, considering the fact that uhambile even waya naku-pre-season, simbonile laphana eSpain eyi-captain e-Orlando Pirates, elida iy'ntwana ey'ncane-ke laphana uTito. uTito-ke bazomkhumbula laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, abalandeli in the Orlando Pirates cause I mean, he's one of the few players abacula ngaye. Cabanga ingoma yakhe weTito, moye Orlando nje uyazi ukuthi ama-fans amthanda kakhulu, i-fan favorite, and uspende isikhathi esi-right ku-Orlando. I think i-Orlando Pirates yiyo emkhulisile, and i-Orlando Pirates yiyo introduce kahle ku-professional setup. Siyazi ukuthi udlalile ePortugal, I think it was second division, udlalile ku-SuperSport United, but i-team eyam-introduce kithi sambona kahle i-Orlando Pirates. Naye nje ngama-moments wakhe ukuthi okay uthanda iskili, usibuyisele emuva ukuthi okay uyathanda ukuligibela ibhola. Well, amanye ama-moment-ke la axasha khona noJomo whatever, but ngeke singene kuleyo nto leyo. But le nto le ithusa abantu abaningi ukuthi uTito uyahamba, njengoba bengishilo ukuthi bekaku-pre-season. But at the same time ivulela abanye abadlali i-opportunity ukuthi bayabonakalisa. uTito, to be honest, ucontribute-ile ku-Orlando Pirates bafethu kuyamjida loya, but I think i-game model ka-Owadu akafit, cause u-Owadu ufuna ama-workaholic, so kunale i-element of khona mawumbukela uTito une-element of laziness, but bengisamncoma kusho yami yaku-Omni Audio last week, ngithi ngibone ashaya ama-tackle, sekaba yi-hard worker, then the next thing akekho naku-matchday squad, kanti-ke uyahamba uyalena overseas. Well, i-country mawuthi uyabheka i-country singayazi, like I've heard of the country but not indaba yebhola bafethu. I've heard izinto ey'thusayo. I remember i-country yakhona beyi-trend ukuthi but asingangeni kumapolitiki alapho, but ngicela ni-check-eni iplayer lakhona laze hlala e-Australia ngendaba yokuthi uyafuneka ngoba kwathini nizibhekele le nto le, angifuni ukungena kuyo mina nje bengifuna ukufokhasa kuTito. Elinye iplayer elihambile-ke ku-Orlando Pirates bafethu uVan Rooyen. Kuthuka abantu abaningi futhi nakuVan Rooyen ukuthi ayishiye i-Orlando Pirates, but i-Orlando Pirates I guess they are looking to the future. The ku-right back position maybe cause kunoSibilibili kunoLungu, uSibilibili sebamconvert-ile laphana, but ama-right back amaningi uNdlozi, ubani uNdlozi ohambile, then khona lo mfana lo ubani uMashelwane naye kuSikhukhune United. Bengicabanga ukuthi maybe bazomgcina uVan Rooyen if kwenzeka something ngosibelebele or kwamanye ama-match he can't keep up, then yabona ukuthi kuzoba i-problem e-serious laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. But Orlando Pirates i-team eneplani, sithemba ukuthi they will be able to deal nayo yonke le nto le cause we losing ama-players ayi-2, Bafana players la uVan Rooyen noPatrick Maswanganyi, but sibafisela inhlanhla abafowethu laba yakhona. As for uVan Rooyen, I think he will remain local, but maybe even overseas asazi sobona bafethu. Van Rooyen-ke bafethu ukhiphe na i-statement athi ufuna ukubonga laphana ku-Orlando Pirates uthi le minyaka lena ewu-2 beyi-right kakhulu. Uthi for yena what an honor and a privilege it has been to wear the colors and represent the team, which I'm grateful for every opportunity, every challenge, and then every opportunity, every challenge, lesson, shared memories with each. Okay, le statement takhe siyangidina ngoba labafana babhala nge-AI bonke. It's not from the heart. So if it's not from the heart, yeah, for me it doesn't make sense. But ke statement sakhe, but i-modern football bafethu sothini bonke bashaya nge-AI. Ngicela uzibambalanizim about ama-report e-Orlando Pirates. I'm expecting Orlando Pirates ukuthi still beef up isquad.